The Path, Accelerate Your Journey to Financial Freedom, is filled with lessons that can help readers achieve financial freedom and security. Some of the key lessons from the book include: understanding your relationship with money. The book explores the psychological and emotional aspects of money, and how our beliefs and habits can impact our financial well-being. Building a personalized financial plan. Tony Robbins provides a step-by-step guide to creating a financial plan that is tailored to your unique needs and goals. Reducing debt. The book provides strategies for paying off debt and reducing financial stress, including tips for creating a budget, negotiating bills, and creating an emergency fund. Investing for the future. The Path covers a range of investment strategies, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, and provides practical tips for building a diversified portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. Increasing income. The book provides advice on how to increase your income, whether through starting a side hustle, negotiating a raise, or investing in yourself to build new skills and grow your career. Preparing for retirement. Tony Robbins provides a comprehensive guide to preparing for retirement, including advice on saving, investing, and planning for healthcare expenses. Overcoming limiting beliefs and negative patterns. The Path explores how our beliefs and habits can impact our financial well-being, and provides strategies for overcoming limiting beliefs and negative patterns. These are just a few of the lessons from The Path, Accelerate Your Journey to Financial Freedom. Overall, the book provides a comprehensive and practical guide to achieving financial freedom and security, and is a valuable resource for anyone looking to take control of their finances and build a better future. Building wealth. The book provides practical strategies for building wealth, including tips for saving, investing, and creating multiple streams of income. Understanding risk. The Path provides an in-depth discussion of risk and how it relates to investing, and offers practical strategies for managing risk in your investments. Protecting your assets. The book covers important topics such as insurance, estate planning, and asset protection, and provides practical advice for ensuring that your assets are protected in case of an emergency or unexpected event. Building a legacy. The Path provides advice on how to build a legacy that will have a positive impact on future generations, whether through charitable giving, investing in your community, or creating a family legacy plan. Living a balanced life. The book explores the importance of balancing work, play, and rest, and provides advice on how to achieve a healthy work-life balance, even in a fast-paced, high-stress world. Staying motivated. Tony Robbins provides tips and strategies for staying motivated and committed to your financial goals, even in the face of setbacks and challenges. These lessons are designed to help readers achieve financial freedom and security, and they are based on Tony Robbins' decades of experience as a financial advisor, as well as insights from experts in the field. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey, or you're looking to take your finances to the next level, The Path, Accelerate Your Journey to Financial Freedom, provides a valuable resource for anyone looking to build a better financial future. Here are a few tips from the book that can help you stay motivated. Set clear goals. Tony Robbins emphasizes the importance of having clear, measurable, and achievable financial goals, as this can help you stay focused and motivated on your journey to financial freedom. Celebrate your progress. Celebrating your progress, no matter how small, can help you stay motivated and feel a sense of accomplishment as you work towards your financial goals. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surrounding yourself with positive influences, such as friends and family who support your financial goals, can help you stay motivated and focused on your journey. Focus on the positive. Rather than dwelling on setbacks or obstacles, focus on the positive aspects of your journey to financial freedom, and use this positive energy to fuel your motivation. Find an accountability partner. Having an accountability partner, such as a friend or financial advisor, can help you stay motivated and committed to your financial goals, as you have someone to hold you accountable and cheer you on along the way. Visualize your success. Tony Robbins encourages readers to visualize their success, imagining themselves in the future as financially free and secure. This visualization can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. These are just a few of the tips and strategies that Tony Robbins provides in The Path, accelerate your journey to financial freedom to help you stay motivated and committed to your financial goals. The book is a comprehensive and practical guide to achieving financial freedom and security, and provides valuable advice and strategies for anyone looking to take control of their finances and build a better future. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. For purchasing the book, the link is in the comments section for your convenience.